crafting a traditional Israeli bowl of cornflakes. We go cereal first, then the milk on top.
Right, so what is it that you've got that we haven't seen yet?
Never put the milk before the cornflakes. That's the mistake everybody makes.
Please step forward.
Finally, it's about time people know me for my art. I'm not ashamed to say it, I'm gonna be the winner of this season.
First off, describe the dish, please.
So I took a premium bag of cornflakes and added expired milk. Very important that the milk sits out of the fridge for at least 6 months.
It works. I'm glad you're not playing safe.
Absolutely.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
The flavors are there, the technique is there. You know, what's the next step?
My dream is to open a fine dining restaurant that serves only cornflakes. A menu of 80 dishes klarligt, and every single one of them is cornflakes.
I mean, if this is an indication and I had this for breakfast at your restaurant, I'd want to come back and check out lunch and dinner.
I really appreciate this.
I really love the story that you tell with sweet and salty and savory.
So smart and so classic. Great job.